Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Rennie B. Welcome back to my channel, and this is a new tutorial for you guys. I just wanted to do something different. So we just start out by basically moisturizing my skin. Then I am going to take some new products, or one is new and one is older, and I'm going to do my brows on camera because I never really do them on camera. First, I am going to apply some powder to them, and right now I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's the loose powder. You just use whatever powder that you like and just actually pack it on. The reason why I'm doing this is because I am going to use something that has a cream formula to it, so we want to make sure that that cream doesn't just slide all over my face. For the powder part, I'm going to use this product by a woman here out in Monroe, Louisiana, and it's her brow powder in the color black brown. And like I said, it's just a powder, and because I want it to be kind of opaque, I'm going to spray it with a liquid. Basically, doesn't matter what liquid, but I use the Mario Badescu powder. And basically I outlined the bottom part of my brows, and then I started to push the product inwards to the center of my brows to just basically fill them in, as well as like just make sure that that line wasn't harsh. Then I go on the tail end side and then over the top. And I try and use as much of the product as I can that's on the brush before I go back in and dip my brush in again. I am using a Sigma angled brush. I believe this one's Sigma, or it could be a MAC brush, but it's just an angled brow brush. Then I go in with this Ruby Kisses spoolie, and then just kind of brush through my brows. I then go in with the Kat Von D product, and I kind of create like little baby hair strokes throughout my brow, as well as kind of outline the tail end of my brow, especially kind of filling in just a little bit more. And this is with the same brush. And I like to do the cream afterwards, because mixing the two products together like that, it kind of makes the brush a little bit harder, which I kind of like for the cream, so that I can create better hair strokes in the front of my brow. Now I'm going to take, I think this is deep sand. It may not just be deep, but I think it's deep sand. And I'm going to conceal my brows or clean them up, which they look pretty clean without it. But I want to make them super sharp, and that way I just use concealer. And my favorite brush to clean up my brows is this Dillium Tools brush, and I will leave the number in the video somewhere. You guys, I use this brush to conceal. I use this brush to apply my under eye concealer. I use this to cut my crease. You guys can literally use this for whatever you like. And you'll see in the video, whenever I do cut my crease, I use the same brush, but it's in a different style from the same company. And you guys, this brush is just absolutely really amazing. I've seen a lot of videos where a lot of people are showing you how to make them like super flat. This brush stays flat. So yeah, try it out, you guys. Just try it out. And that's it, you guys. If you have any questions for me, definitely leave them down below. Give me a thumbs up for my channel and for my page. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.